Chapter 1 Real Numbers, Class 9th, Objective Part. First question: Pi is a natural number, an irrational number, a rational number? None of this. Pi is an irrational number. Irrational numbers. Examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 5, root 7, and so on. Pi is also an irrational number. Move to next question. Rationalizing factor of 10 by 5 root 2. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That means 2 by 1 into root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. That means root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 2, numerator denominator cancels. What is left? Root 2 is left. So option C is the right answer of the given question. Move to next question. Root 5 lies between. See here, what is given? Root 5 lies between root 5, comma, root 6, comma, root 7, comma, root 8, comma, root 9 and root 10. Observe here, root 9 means root 9 can be written as root of 3 square, and root square cancel. What will happen? 3 is there. So one number we find 3. Here is root 4 and root 2. This root 4 can be written as under root of 2 square. This root and square cancel. What will happen? 2. So root 5 lies in between 2 and 3. That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Root 5 lies in between 2 and 3. Move to next question. A rectangular park dimensions are 3 plus root 2 and 2 plus root 2 units. Then the area of the park in square units. See here, multiplication of these two. 3 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. This can be written as 3 into 2 plus root 2. This into this entire plus symbol is there. Root 2 into 2 plus root 2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 into root 2 there is a plus symbol, 3 root 2. Next plus 2 root 2, multiplication of these two, there is a plus symbol. Root 2 into root 2 becomes 2, means root cancel, isn't it? Now add these two. 8 plus 3 plus 2 means 5. Write root 2 as it is. 3 plus 2 means 5 root 2. So 8 plus 5 root 2 is the answer of the given question. That means option number A is the right answer of the given question. Now next question. The value of 1.999 and so on in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0. What is given? That can be assumed as X is equals to 1.999 and so on, isn't it? And multiplying and dividing with 10. Why? Because of after a decimal point there is only one digit repeating. That means 10x is equals to, multiplying this means this goes, so one digit comes from right to left, so that becomes 19.999 and so on. Take this equation to then 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, that means 10x equals to 19.99 and so on, then minus x equals to minus 1.999 and so on. Do the subtraction, we get the answer. See here, 0 0 0, everything will be 0 after a decimal point. 19 minus 1 means 18, that equals to 10 minus 10x minus x means 9x. Now what we get? 9x equals to 18. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Therefore x equals to what? 2. Value of x is what? 2. That means option C is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. If x is a positive real number and x square equals to 2, then the value of x cube is. So x square value is given, isn't it? X square value is given. Take that x square value. X square value is 2. Squaring on both sides, isn't it? Applying squaring means square root. So under root x square equals to under root 2. This root and square cancel. That becomes x equals to root 2. Value of x what we got? Root 2, isn't it? Now x cube value. X cube equals to x cube can be written as x into x square. Or you understood, x into x square. Therefore, what is the value of x? We find x value is root 2 dot x square value already given, that is 2. This can be written as 2 root 2 is the answer of the given question. That means which option is right? Option A is the right answer of the given question. Next question. X value, y value is given, then x plus y is what? Now x plus y means addition of these two. X plus y is equals to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. This is x value, and plus y value means root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Now cross multiplication. See here both are same, that means root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Which symbol is there? Plus symbol. Next these two are same, that means root 3 minus root 2 whole square by a plus b into a minus b form. This is root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. See here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. First one, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square numerator by here is a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? A minus b, a plus b. Now solve this. See here this becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab plus symbol. A minus b whole square means a square plus right, b square minus 2ab, isn't it? By a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. See here plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. What will remain? A square means 2a square, isn't it? B square 2b square. 2 a square plus b square by here a square minus b square. What is the denominator value? A square minus b square. Use these values. What is the a value here? A is root 3, b is root 2, isn't it? Use these values in this, we get 2 a square means root 3 whole square, square root cancel, plus root 2 whole square, square root cancel by here root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square, same thing, square root cancel. This is 2 into 3 plus 2 by here 3 minus 2, isn't it? Now 3 plus 2 means 2 into 5 by 3 minus 2 means 1. 2 5s are how much? 10 by 1. That becomes what? 10. So answer is how much? 10 is the right answer. See here, option number D is the right answer of the given question. Thank you.